Hello students, this is lecture number 3. This is the continuation of the previous lecture, that is origin of universe. Today we will discuss about steady state theory. This theory comes after Big Bang theory. This theory is contradiction to the Big Bang theory only. Okay. So in cosmology means study of the celestial bodies. In cosmology, the steady state theory is a theoretical model. Obviously, practically it is not possible to explain. So, it is a theoretical model in which our universe is constantly expanding but with a fixed average density. As in Big Bang theory, we have discussed that scientist Hubble had explained how each galaxy are moving far away from us. Okay, they are moving far away from us. Steady state also says the universe is expanding, but in steady state the average density of the universe remains same. As the size of the universe is increasing, the density are also increasing. How density is increasing? By creating new galaxies, new stars. Okay. So this theory was given by Sir Hermann Bondi, Thomas Gold and Sir Fred Hoyle. Okay. They were atheists, like they don't believe in God. So according to them, there is no overall beginning or end of the steady state universe. Means in the past, in the present, in the future, it will remain constant, just its size will get increased and the number of celestial bodies will also increase. Okay. According to this model, matter is always created to form galaxies and stars at the same speed as the old ones become destroyed. The some of the galaxies get destroyed and new ones get created. Okay. So according to them, the density remain same. So this theory explains that new matter is continuously created out of nothing. Nothing here means from the energy which are present in the universe. Nothing is not a sense to be explained, but nothing means the energy are constitute and forming a celestial body at an incredibly small rate. What is the rate? 1 atom of hydrogen per 6 কিলোমিটার স্কয়ার পার ইয়ার, মানে এক বছরে ইন 6 কিলোমিটার স্কয়ারে একটা হাইড্রোজেন অ্যাটমের তৈরি হয়। ওকে, সো this explains that in the past, in the present and also in the future, the universe will remain same. So it explains the universe will be same at all time in all the places. Another feature of the steady state is universe to be stable and steady, like it is always in the same condition. So some of the theories that began to emerge in 1960s. The 1960s, some evidence has come out which are declining, but or which are opposing that steady state theory is not the perfect theory to explain the origin of universe. Okay. So what is the first theory? First theory is the observation taken with radio telescope shows that there are more radio sources at long distance away from us that would be predicted by the theory. Predicted here says there are less number of radio sources, but when the scientists have observed through radio telescope, they have seen many radio sources, like amount of radio sources is very high, and those radio sources were almost billion of years old. So this explains that there are more cosmic radio sources billion years ago than they are now. In the present, the radio sources were less, and in the past, radio sources were more. Okay, radio sources less, and past radio sources were more. So this got an evidence that universe was not same in past and in the present. Okay. Next is the discovery of quasar. Quasar is a very small astronomical body which produce light more than Milky Way galaxy, like 1,000 times brightness, more bright than the Milky Way galaxy, but the size is very small. So quasar only found at great distance from us. If we are here and this is here, there will be a billions and billions light year distance, billions light year distance between our Earth and the quasar. So the fact that quasar were only found in the early universe. So this proved that there was something called early universe. So this also declines that universe has changed over time. Over time, the universe has changed. So quasar was present in the early time. We are seeing it from here, and it is billions of year distance. Distance means it took more than billion years to reach us. Means its light reached us after billions of years. Okay. So this also cracked the mind of the scientists. Oh shit, our steady state theory got failed. Another evidence which is CMBR. CMBR means the background radiation, the cosmic microwave background radiation, and it also shows that there are some background radiation in between the celestial bodies. This is the light radiation. Background কি হয় একদম হালকা কিছু একটা থাকে, তো হালকা রেডিয়েশনটা যখন ডিসকভার হয়েছে তখন দেখা গেল কি that it doesn't support the steady state theory, because according to this theory there was no origin, there were no origin of universe, it was same, but when the CMBR had been discovered, it declines the steady state theory and proves the Big Bang theory. So Big Bang theory, in the Big Bang theory, this radiation are snapshot from the time when universe was young and hot. Young and hot means the initial stage. Initial stage young and hot chilo, and CMBR also prove the Big Bang theory and declines the steady state theory. So these three evidence has declined the steady state theory, and we have accepted the Big Bang theory as the most acceptable theory. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you and study well.